My name is Susan VanMeakins, and my mission is to help mature Christians use yoga to strengthen their bodies, calm their minds, meditate on the Word of God, and share the love of Jesus. This is your opportunity to become a founding member of the Christ-Centered Yoga Reflections online community. Here's everything waiting for you inside. Live gentle mat classes and chair yoga classes on Zoom. Choose from 2 gentle mat classes and 2 chair yoga classes each week. A complete replay library. Unlimited access to a constantly expanding library of gentle mat yoga and chair yoga class videos. The Christ-Centered Yoga for Beginners online course. The complete 4-week system to begin Christ-centered yoga, including 17 comprehensive video lessons with 4 full-length yoga practices and a 70-page fully illustrated workbook. Live monthly community events. Join the graceful gatherings each month for fellowship, prayer, conversation, and fun. Here is Cindy's testimony. Cindy is 73 and felt she was not flexible at all when she began taking chair yoga classes with me. She purchased the Christ-Centered Yoga for Beginners course and now says she wishes she could tell you to run, not walk, to sign up for this opportunity. The monthly online membership is available for only $19.95 a month. And the annual online membership is being offered at a very special Black Friday price for a limited time. This Black Friday special is $30 off the regular price for the entire first year, reducing your total investment to only $169.50. Whichever option you choose, you can't lose. Join the Christ-Centered Yoga Reflections online community today.